How to buy cryptocurrency with credit debit card. Before starting trading, you need first to buy cryptocurrencies. This is why we made things easy for you on the Binance platform. You can use your credit card or debit card to buy BTC, BNB, ETH, and more cryptocurrencies. All you need to do is go to our Buy Crypto page. Before getting started, please make sure to have completed the identity verification. How to buy cryptocurrencies. Let's take USD as an example. On the top of the Binance homepage, click on the Buy Crypto option and select Credit Debit Card. Choose USD as the fiat currency to purchase. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Insert the amount of USD you want to spend. If the amount is above or below the limit, you will see a notice. Click on Buy BTC to go to the next step. If this is your first time to buy cryptocurrencies with the card, you will first need to add a new card. Check the order details. The total amount includes the price of the cryptocurrency and the handling fee. Then click on Confirm. Once you use a card to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, your purchased cryptocurrency will go directly to your Binance account. You will find it in your spot wallet. You can now start trading on the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange in an instant.